Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will present the result of research Pancasila Student Profile Implementation in Bahasa Indonesia Learning Process at Elementary School. Introduction: Education is expected for Indonesian students to have good character, which is established in the law of the Republic of Indonesia. Governing the National Education System, Article 1, Paragraph 2 cites national education is defined as education based on Pancasila and the Republik Indonesia 1945 Constitution, which is grounded in religious values, national culture, and responsive to the changing time. Best background research are emphasized in exploring the implementation in Pancasila student profile in Bahasa Indonesia learning process at a school in Susukan District, Banjarnegara Regency. Research wants to find out how the teacher provides learning Bahasa Indonesia characterized by Pancasila student profile. To research question gets the characteristic as follow. 1. How do the class implementing on the Pancasila student profile in Bahasa Indonesia learning process? 2. What are the supporting and inhibiting factors as the class implementing Pancasila student profile through Bahasa Indonesia's learning process? Research methods. The method used is the study is descriptive qualitative methods. Data are collection through direct observation, interview, and document analysis. Furthermore, the research used two types of triangulation technique and technical triangulation. The data analysis used this study was the Miles S. Haberman data collection model Suharyat. Explain data analysis is the process of compiling data into patterns to be used as the description of in data research. Data analysis used by research, namely and data collection, data reduction, data presentation, and conclusion or validation. Direct non-participatory observation were conducted in the class for among the class. Learning Indonesia, the research did semi-structured interview with the participant and the homegrown teacher with the student. The research had focus group interview related to document data obtained in the form of photos during interview and observation. When implementation of the Pancasila student profile in Bahasa Indonesia learning process, Bahasa Indonesia learning plan. Learning planning is an essential activity that be carried out before starting learning activity carried out by the teacher. Learning planning is carried out by the teacher. As said by the teacher, planning is done by the teacher before carrying out learning. I usually determine what learning model and media are suitable for the material that I will convey while teaching in class. I do not make one teaching models, but I take them off the internet. I chose which one in accordance with the student learning characteristic. B. Implementation of Bahasa Indonesia learning process. Learning that implements Pancasila student profile dimensions that are religious, abided to good, and have noble character. Pancasila student profile which show religious evidence to good and has noble character, as stated by the teacher. To instill religious values before the student carry out learning activities. Student pray before learning, recites to Asmaul Husna, short letter, and the teacher does appreciation feature student carry out the morning prayer. In addition, I also gave assignment to grade 4 students. Two students already knew the rules in Islam. But when they presented, I was the teacher directs and corrects the ratio student the caution and provides example. My opinion, activities like this are very correct, effective, so that student can think activity and religious. From the information about it shows that applying religious attitude obedient to good and noble character to student, teacher must provide example of good action and attitudes and always remind student and addition implementation appropriate learning methods greatly influences the success in applying the attitude of student who religious and active learning. Implement the Pancasila student profile with a global diversity dimension. As stated the teacher, the why we teacher a still habit of love for the motherland to student is, for example, by holding a flag ceremony on Monday and National Day to train and remind students of the service I fallen heroes in addition. The learning activities as cloud singing the national anthem and religion song. The aforementioned explanation of the homeroom teacher demonstration that with school that always hold activity and happy the habit of loving the homeland. Students will have a caring attitude towards the homeland by respecting and Indonesia people and social culture. With this, student will have a sense of global diversity. Implement the Pancasila student profile with a global diversity dimension. As stated the teacher, the why we teacher a still habit of love for the motherland to student is, for example, by holding a flag ceremony on Monday and National Day to train and remind students of the service I fallen heroes in addition. The learning activities as cloud singing the national anthem and religion song. The aforementioned explanation of the homeroom teacher demonstration that with school that always hold activity and happy the habit of loving the homeland. Students will have a caring attitude towards the homeland by respecting and Indonesia people and social culture. With this, student will have a sense of global diversity. Two factors supporting and inhibiting the implementation of the Pancasila student profile in Bahasa Indonesia learning process. Factor supporting in every learning activity is a factor that must always be maintained to create meaningful learning for students. Aside by the principal, the sport are the extension of below the teacher in participant education and retraining, determining appropriate learning methods for student and selecting school library activity and as place for student planning. Furthermore, according to the teacher, the supporting factor includes the strategies of teacher and student in learning and new material, event through the Pancasila student profile, street handing project. new revelation in the learning process. I am a great for teacher and my students are very enthusiastic about carrying out the learning process. Supporting factor: 1. Study habits, selection of the right learning method, and library utilization. When teaching Indonesia, I usually use the library as a place for grade students to study. Inhibiting factor: inexperienced teacher, to school facility. Conclusion: based on the result of the research has been conducted regarding the implementation of Pancasila, student profile in Indonesia language learning in class 4 SD Negeri 1 Karangsalam. It is concluded that the implementation of learning in based on the Pancasila student profile dimension of peace to good elements and noble character and global diversity. From these two dimensions, it has been implemented quite successful in Bahasa Indonesia learning process. The students are eager to fully participate through the learning process and carry out the tasks given by the teacher. They're also able to distinguish between positive and negative attitudes. Supporting and inhibiting factor can be used as a reference to continue to be development so that the implementation of the Pancasila student profile is better. The most important inhibiting factor found in the problem for limited school fund. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. All praise and thanks go to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. The author is very happy with the completion of writing this article. We hope this research can provide the benefit to research. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.